In this video, I will show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Creating a poll on WhatsApp is a great way to engage with your audience or friends. Here is how to do it. First, make sure that WhatsApp app is updated on your mobile. Now open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Now navigate to the chat where you want to create a poll. This could be a group chat or individual chat. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left side. Here you should see an option labeled poll or something similar. Just tap on it. Now let's create a poll. Enter the question that you want to ask. Now add options for your poll. You can add up to 12 options for the participants to choose from. You can use 3 horizontal lines to arrange the options. Here you will find an option Allow multiple answers with toggle button. If you want participants to choose multiple answers, then keep toggle button on, else just turn this off. Once you have set up your poll, tap send to post in the chat. Participant in the chat will be able to see the poll and vote on the options. After participants have voted, you can view the results directly in the chat using View Votes option to see which option is the most popular. So that is how you can create a poll on WhatsApp. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.